Hello everybody, Unicorn Lady Tech here. Just want to talk a little about perpetual calendars. I am a little obsessed, you might say, with finding an actual perpetual calendar because initially when I started my research on this, I ran into perpetual calendars such as this or this one or this one. You can see it. But this is not my idea of a perpetual calendar. So I continued my search. Then I found this type. And as you can see, you just change the blocks around to whatever day, every day, and the year, the month, and the days. So every day you change the day to the next day. Today is the 4th. So that's that type. But that still didn't make me happy. So then I ran across this one. This is a puzzle that I found. And after putting it together, it is an actual perpetual calendar. And there it is. As you can see, that's the month we're in right now. The year is down here. But it's still not quite what I had in mind. So let me show you what I found next. So this is the next piece of information I found. And again, it is an actual perpetual calendar. You just have to know where the first of the month is. And let me show you how this one works. You take this and slide it in. And you put the day one, on whatever day one falls on for that month. And this would be May's month. But I took this information and made this as well as this. Just shrunk it down. Made a cutesy little thingy for my friends. I made 3 other different ones. And again, you just slide the numbers till you get to the number 1 to where it's supposed to be. And again, the 1 is Monday. But again, this is a perpetual calendar, but not quite what I had in mind. So that brings me to this information. This, my friends, is what I was looking for the entire time. It has all the information I need. Up here we have the first 2 digits of the year, the second 2 digits of the year down here, and if it's a leap year, it's down here. So these are the last 2 digits of each year. And what you do is you find 23 under where it says 20 2023. Then you scroll over to the months and you find May, and May says B1. Then, since this is a 2-pager, you turn the page. And here we have the 28 months that could possibly be in a year. And here you go, B1, right here is May. So what I did was, took some pretty paper, some lamination, and made one of these for each of the 28 months. And then I also did it with these templates. I take my little thingies I get in the mail and make templates. Use them for a bunch of things. But this is the templates that I made so that each one of those months can be the same. The calendar, the backing for the calendar, and the backing again, and then the holes. So each one come out the same. And then what I did after that is made a stand for it. This used to be a personal pizza box. I put Velcro here in case I wanted to fold it flat and mail it off to somebody. And I have a little plastic here to put the month in, plastic here to put the year in, and these to hold in the sheets. So let me put those in and be right back. Oh, and what I also did, made 2 of these without a calendar, extra, but they're pockets to hold the information that I want to use. These I will put the year and dates in. Where are those? I use this to hold these in. These are the months, all laminated, and the numbers for any year that would be needed. And I will store them in here. And in this pocket. And then in the other pocket, I have my information. Fold it nice and neat. So let me get this together and show you how it works, how it looks anyway. And there it is, all set up and ready to go. Now we did say B1, right? So this is A1 right now. So A1, A3, B1. And that was set for May 2023, B1. So, mission accomplished, finally, after almost, well, a little over 10 years actually. So there you have it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Send some comments my way. Let me know what you think. Thanks for hanging out with me. Do come again. Have a great day.